Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign up for affiliate program on the Temu app. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, open your Temu app. Alright, next go to the search bar and enter this code TAM66137. Alright, so if this code doesn't work, try searching for affiliate instead. Alright, once the page pops up, you will see an available balance for the new users. This balance can be withdrawn using your PayPal once you reach the minimum withdrawal amount. So there are several features here in the affiliate program. In the bottom, you will see share link and get referral. So basically, you can earn commissions by referral. So if you click on earn now, you will be given a unique code that you can share with your family or anyone else. Alright, so that's it. Now you know how to sign up for affiliate program on Temu. I hope this video helps you. Good luck and see you in the next video.